Hello friends, welcome back to the channel and another episode of Nifty and Bank Nifty technical analysis. Today was a bearish day, like I told you guys. Nifty का resistance यहाँ पे है 10,300 और आज का हाई बना है 10,328 एंड जस्ट 28 पॉइंट्स जाके ऊपर ये नीचे आया है गाइज और इतना शार्प फॉल मिला है आपको एंड टुडे आई कुडंट ट्रेड दिस levels guys as I was out and position is nil. I didn't, I couldn't even place any orders also, nothing happened today, but if I would have traded बहुत ही अच्छा पैसा मिल सकता था guys आज. तो टोटल ऑलमोस्ट 4% की फॉल है guys. 880 points, that is a lot of money guys. 800 points in 880 points into 20 कर लो guys, 1 lot का प्रॉफिट हो जाएगा आराम से. And I'm not seeing Nifty close beyond this level guys, because हमारा हिसाब किताब यहाँ से शुरू हो रहा है guys and it is just resting on 23.60% of fib levels and I'm seeing 38.2 या फिर 50 और या फिर 61 guys. मे बी 50 और 61 से वापस घूम जाए, बट 61.8% से आके घूमेगा तो बहुत अच्छी तेजी आ सकती है गाइस. एंड दैट्स इट गाइस. Tomorrow also I'm seeing the market should fall. I'm expecting the market to trade in this range guys until and unless it gives any breakout or breakdown. This will be the market trading zone guys. इसी जोन में रहना चाहिए निफ्टी को गाइस. ऑलमोस्ट 400 पॉइंट्स का ये है जोन है एंड इफ इट पास्ड above this level then we'll see a target guys. और इसके नीचे चला गया तो it is highly like I'm feeling bearish guys. इसके नीचे अगर गया तो मेरा व्यू bearish हो जाएगा. I won't be any longer bullish on the markets guys. So this is what I feel on Nifty and Bank Nifty also the same thing guys. I've drawn a fib level over here and just a second, and here we have a 61.8 fib level over there guys, just above this line, and this is where I'm looking for to buy guys. That will be the favorite level, golden Fibonacci level, and our levels have acted perfectly guys, and the resistance is on the very top guys, because I'm anticipating if bullish waves come into Bank Nifty guys, it can overpass Nifty in just few trading sessions guys. Why? Because this is why I've given a resistance over here and Nifty resistance is just over here guys, and I don't see Nifty going above this levels in coming days, because I see strength fading out from Nifty 50 guys, but in Bank Nifty strength is building up over here, and if this level is crossed guys, this zone guys, this zone of resistance, if it is crossed, the market will shoot like anything guys. And why I feel the market will shoot anything, because this resistance zone has been tested multiple times. This is a 1, 2, 3 and 4. This is the 5th time it has attempted and failed, and I feel this resistance zone have been become very weak now, as 3 time tested is already weak guys. तीसरी बार जब टेस्ट करता है तो एक रेजिस्टेंस या फिर सपोर्ट वीक हो जाता है टेक्निकली व्यू पॉइंट से. So I feel if this breaks, then it is very easy for Bank Nifty to surpass Nifty 50 guys. And आसानी से हो जाना चाहिए। और एक मेरा व्यू यहाँ पे बन रहा है गाइस, दैट इफ it is finding bank nifty is finding very hard to cross these levels above 222,400. We'll keep a round figure like that, and if it doesn't pass, then I'm confirmed that the second wave of downfall is coming soon. जून महीने में ही देखने को मिल जाएगा guys. We can see a fall of almost, we will anticipate a fall of, how many points is this and this. Okay, we'll be optimistic and plan for at least 4,700 points from these levels. And if I calculate 4,700 points, ये analysis एक अलग ही level की study है guys. You can just see over here, we can expect the markets to fall 4,700. Okay guys, T 12,400 guys. That will be the target if this midpoint reference, if at all it breaks guys in this week, not in next week, in this week, if this midpoint level breaks, then the market will fall again guys. We will have a, this is the first wave, and we'll have a second wave from here guys, and it will fall more or less 4,700 points from here. If you calculate that, will come up to 16,400 guys, and later on market will dictate the terms to us. That is not an issue, but according to me, this has become very big, and nifty bank nifty shouldn't struggle anymore to cross this hurdle guys. ये रेजिस्टेंस लेवल, इसको क्रॉस करने में ज़्यादा दिक्कत नहीं आनी चाहिए. अगर आ रही है तो एक सेकेंड वेव का फॉल डाउन हमको इजीली देखने को मिल जाएगा गाइस. सो दिस इज हाउ आई एम एंटिसिपेटिंग द मार्केट एंड एनालाइजिंग थिंग्स to have a perfect direction in the markets guys. So this is what I'm anticipating, and unfortunately I couldn't trade today. Otherwise, very good profit today guys, very good. And my view was negative for the day, and as I told you in my earlier video as well, that it is going to correct before it shoots up. If it corrects and fails to shoot up over here guys, just go and short bank nifty with all your money guys. You can go all in, but I don't recommend that to do so, but you can do it. That is how you can plan things guys. This is just a small hint from me. If this is not, if bank nifty doesn't pass these levels guys, it's a very bad news for the market, and bank nifty should pass if he wants to uh, go higher guys. And you can see Dow Jones and all already passed these levels very easily, and nifty as well. Nifty also has been past these levels. That is why I have given such a small resistance or target guys, and not in case in bank nifty. Bank nifty का बहुत बड़ा है guys. This is the reason, and this can act counter way also for taking short positions guys. So for coming days, I feel that the market should retest this 20,500 level and then go upside. And if all along the way in upside, if it doesn't surpass these level guys, ये जो green का दिखा रहा है, green zone दिखा रहा है, if this zone is not surpassed, then forget it. It is going to fall again guys, and bank nifty will help nifty to fall again, like big major fall for 4,000 something points. So this is my view guys. My view is simple. This yellow line over here, 20,500, if this line is breached on a lower side in this week itself, this condition is only for this week guys. This week, if this is breached, then it is going to go down guys. It breach and sustains. It's not like it breaches, come back again. It should sustain. You need at least two closings below this level guys. And after another story is if it is testing this level and coming back up, and if does not cross over this line, this zone guys, it will go up. If it cross, if it doesn't cross, my view is simple guys. First scenario is it should go down and come up and go up. This is the first view, and second view will be, draw it in red. So this is in red. Okay, change it back to white. Okay guys, so my second scenario is if this go down and breaches this level, then it is going to go down guys, like literally down. First scenario red, second scenario white. So you can understand the importance of these levels, because this level is no longer strong guys. I don't see anything in these zones, but it should pass very easily. If it not, I'm repeating this again and again so that uh, I make sure that you guys understand. So this is it guys. For tomorrow also I'm a bit bearish on the view. And yes guys, for the, and also I would like to tell you guys to see the weekly analysis as well. There have been discussed many points that I have not discussed over here. You can go back and see that the video as well. Hit the like button, because what I have told in that video has come to today guys. So that is a power of our levels. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel, you can subscribe it. And I have a Telegram channel as well, and the link to the channel is in the description. If you haven't joined the channel, please go ahead and join it. There I'll be sharing you a reference for the market, and I'll be updating live views in live market guys. And do care to hit a like on the video and share it among your fellow traders, and have a good day guys, and trade well. Thank you so much. We'll see you in the next video guys.